In summer, when Germans like to grill outside, we like a side dish with the meat that is called Kraut salad. It's a salad made from cabbage, and I will show you how we make it. Like always, you will find the quantities for the ingredients in my blog post here, and you can switch between metric system and the US customary measurements. So what do we need today? We need a cabbage, and this is a rather small one, so don't go for the largest one. Then you need 1 to 2 onions, depending on the size of these onions. I have like 1.5 here because they are like medium sized. Then you need oil, apple cider vinegar, salt, some mustard, and quite a bit of sugar. I will start with cutting the onions. And I want to dice them rather small. And yes, it's a sad thing to do with the onions. Makes me cry every time. So now I'm adding the vinegar and also the oil, the salt, and the sugar. Give it a quick mix. And then I put this onto the stove and bring it to a boil. So meanwhile, I'll prepare the cabbage, and first I remove the outer leaves here. And then I cut this into half and then into quarters. All right, so I remove the stem. By the way, there's also a Greek Kraut salad, which is very delicious too. If you find a recipe for that, I can highly recommend the Greek version. Okay, so next thing, I have to cut this into very fine stripes. So this is a lot of cabbage, as you can see, and I hope you can see how finely I cut this, very, very thinly. And in the meantime, the vinaigrette has come to a boil, and let me bring this over. So here it is, still bubbling, and I'm adding now the mustard. Mix this in, and this all goes now over my cabbage. All right, let me mix this, and it stings a little bit in the eyes with the vinegar. Don't worry too much about that. And mix this really well, so you really want the cabbage touch the vinaigrette at all sides. Okay, now this has to be covered with a plate and goes into the fridge overnight and will be ready to serve tomorrow. And someone recently asked me if I have 2 fridges. Yes, I do have 2 fridges, otherwise I would not be able to fit everything in. Now, before I put it into the fridge, of course, I let it cool a little more. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you try this out. It's very delicious for a barbecue. If you like this, please, like always, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, hit the bell button if you haven't yet. Stay tuned for my other video suggestions at the end of this video and enjoy the pictures.